Hi, this is Switchleaf channel. Today's episode, we're going to explore the Switzerland of the South Pacific, the land of the long white cloud, New Zealand. New Zealand is located south of Polynesia, in southwestern Pacific Ocean, and is made up of two main islands, the North Island and South Island, and a number of smaller islands. Dutch explorer Abel Tasman named the island Statenland, knowing they were part of the Statenland that Jacob Lemaire had located off the most southern part of South America. Dutch cartographers renamed afterwards Tasman's newfound land Nova Zealandia, from Latin, after the Dutch province of Zeeland. This name was later enclosed to New Zealand. The Eastern Polynesian people, the Maori, were first settler of New Zealand between 1250 and 1300. They called the North Island, Aotearoa, meaning land of the long white cloud. Let us enjoy the beauty of New Zealand. The contrast color of the sunset gives an awesome beauty to scenery. A road built, cutting through forest and hills. A vast land of grass on a hilly landscape. Arriving at the view of the farmland near a beach. Trekking in the mountain road is an opportunity to enjoy the view of the grassy mountain. And at the top, you will surely forget the length of the journey. Let your eyes be satisfied with the beautiful nature. Here, the recreational and competitive adventure sport is paragliding. Just flow with the wind, blow like a feather, and you are one with nature. From the beauty of the land to the beauty of the vast ocean, feel the warmth of the breath of the planet. It is really the wonder of God's creation. The beach with Rocky Mountain on the background. This is Auckland cityscape. The ferry dock and the Sky Tower on the back. Auckland is a large metropolitan city in the North Island. The country's capital city is Wellington, but its most populous city is Auckland. New Zealand is a highly developed free market economy. Its economic freedom score is 84.1 on the 2020 index. It is ranked third among 42 countries in the Asia-Pacific region, and its overall score is well above the regional and world averages. Hope you enjoy this journey. Once again, this is Switchleaf channel. Signing off.